Welcome to the pinnacle of elite residential design. In this exclusive video, step inside a Ferrari-inspired luxury mansion, where automotive performance meets architectural brilliance. From the monumental entrance to the futuristic bathroom, every detail is crafted to reflect power, elegance, and innovation. Subtle Ferrari emblems are seamlessly embedded into furniture and design elements without compromising beauty or sophistication. Featuring ultra-realistic animations, day and night views, pure luxury, cutting-edge technology, and iconic design come together to create the ultimate dream residence. Subscribe to Residence High Luxe and explore the most stunning homes ever imagined.